Hey everyone, this is Credit with Erica, and one of the things that I wanted to go over with you guys today is the repayments of student loans. So what should we expect? And what do we know? So one of the things that we are seeing now is that everyone is receiving text messages, alerts, emails. So if you have gotten those text messages, emails, do not ignore them. One of the things that I quite see often with clients is they tend to ignore these messages, and they are key to making sure that you don't have late payments on your credit report. When it comes to student loans, usually creditors or loan servicing companies, only with student loans, they start late after 90 days. So they make a 90-day attempt, which makes it a lot more difficult to find an error or to disprove that they have actually been trying to reach out to you for 90 days. So here's what I recommend. If you do not know who your loan servicing providers are, please log into your studentaid.gov website and log in and find out who are your loan servicing providers if you have not done so yet, or there are a lot of new ones since there has been a lot of government contracts changed. So if you may consider that you may be one of them, make sure that you log in to find out who is that new loan servicing provider. So if you know that you may have been one of those people, please make sure you log in and get all the information necessary. Another way you can also see, and another thing that is very important, is finding out what your options are. So make sure that you're logging into your studentaid.gov website and find out what type of loans do you have if you do not know that. What repayment options, what are the calculations for that? There are calculators on studentaid.gov. However, you can also give them a call and find out what are your options based off of income, maybe situations where life changes. A lot of times, some clients go back to school and they would rather be a part of a gradual payment just to finish out maybe a graduate degree or certification, and those options are open to them. If you do not ask, you will not get. So make sure that you are reaching out to them and letting them know, hey, this is what I'm going through. Is there an option that may coincide with that? Also, make sure that your information on these loan servicing providers' websites or logins are correct. Make sure your email is correct and your phone number is correct. A lot of these loans were taken out many, many years ago, right? My loans were taken out a long time ago. So I want to make sure that that information is always up to date, because if there is some update or even information that may pertain to me, I want to make sure that I receive it. You never want to ignore this information. In order for you to maintain this information positive on your credit report. This was a great opportunity for clients to make sure or have the opportunity to get back into the game of having some positive information on their credit report. So those are my tips for this situation. There's tons of repayment plans. If you are looking to start repaying back your loans, make sure that you adjust your budgets and have a clear, realistic idea of what that may look like. So if your standard payment is, $500, not something that your budget can absorb, then make sure that you reach out to your loan servicing providers and express that information, because they will definitely find repayment options that may be better suitable for your budget situation, rather than you just letting them default or go into collections. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope to come back to you guys with some more credit tips.